Good evening. Welcome to Hot Mess Issue Today, the hit. Please like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, I have on the women's versus men's mask, and the topic is marriage versus common law situations or shacking up. Okay, so if you're religious, God ordained marriage, with it comes respect and governmental benefits. In marriage, in the event of death, the wife receives Social Security benefits from her husband. Common law, the woman gets nothing. Marriage, when a wife reaches age 62, she is entitled to her husband's Social Security pension benefits. In common law, you live all your life with the man. The woman lives all her life with the man, but at age 62, she would get nothing. Marriage, if the man earns a pension from his work, a wife is entitled to half of it. As long as she stayed married to him for at least 10 years. In common law, even if the woman lives with the man for more than 10 years, she will not be entitled to, anything of his pension. In marriage, the man will always put his wife on his beneficiary as his beneficiary of his life insurance. Common law, the man usually puts, his mother or another family member or his siblings as the beneficiary of his life insurance. The woman that he would be living with, wouldn't figure into that. Now, one thing around that is the woman, she could take out life insurance on him, as long as she's paying it, that would be her chunk of money when he dies. In marriage, your children will respect you, respect the woman, hopefully, and they will respect the marriage, but in common law, it's a gamble. You don't know if they're going to respect you. A lot of times the children just respect the woman when it's convenient, and I'm not going to say it's not those few cases where, they treat that person like their mother, or that person has been around so long, and that woman could get that respect. In marriage, if the man dies, the husband dies, typically the wife is responsible and has, all the rights to arrange his funeral. And in common law, other family members typically take over, and if they're any good, they arrange the funeral and take care of all of that, and probably won't even take any suggestions or whatever from the common law wife, because they probably gonna do that funeral that benefits them, saving money, having more money, left over for them. But the thing about it is, a lot of that can be changed one way or the other. So in a marriage, the husband could have the soon-to-be wife or whatever sign a prenup, and that still kind of dictates how things happen either when they get a divorce or when he dies. If it goes into that much detail, the prenup still says how much of his estate or whatever she will get even when he dies. And all of that is predetermined. Now, of course, that's for the big money makers and all of that. They want to make sure their money is distributed as they, want it should they pass. Now, for, low people, low income people, it ain't that big a deal. They don't have little or nothing anyway. And pretty much, you can look at it this way. The common law wife doesn't have to assume any other bills that it might cost to lay that person to rest. So let the family take care of it, you know. But if they were middle income or whatever, and the guy did have a life insurance, then it might be an issue. But that's something to take care of before he dies, and get him to make a will. And but the thing is, it to some degree it goes the same way. She could die first, and he wasn't married to her. What is he gonna get? Most of the time, nothing, because she probably didn't make a will. So if you're gonna have that common law situation, one, you better check and see how the laws are in the state where you reside. And then two, a lot of that can be taken care of by both of you or him, or if you're the woman, making him have a will. But it's a lot easier to get him to have a will if you have one and you just pose it to him, hey, let's make a will. Each of us have a will. And then that way he wouldn't feel like you trying to take advantage of him or his family should he pass. Because both of you have a will. Both of you would know what the will say. And then, like I say, you could have life insurance on him. And then if he had life insurance that he was paying for on himself, he can have the beneficiary whoever he wants. You can have the beneficiary you. And one way to get as a beneficiary on his is to say, hey, I'm going to have your kids part of the beneficiary on the one that I'm paying for that's on you. And it makes him feel more at ease that you're not trying to take advantage of the situation of his passing. So it's ways around, all of that. Now, the Social Security benefits, that's just laws that dictate that. But I'm pretty sure that, it goes the same way, because if the woman was to die, at age 62, the husband could get her Social Security benefits. So the best thing to do is have a conversation and then go forward from there. This has been Hot Mess Issue Today, The Hit. Please like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.